Thank you for purchasing the Trieste Heat and Massage Swivel Recliner. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Trieste Swivel Recliner should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, you should find this fixing kit containing all the screws, washers, pins and Allen keys required to complete assembly. You should also find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly and best use of your recliner. Begin by lifting out all the various parts of the recliner and set them to one side. With everything out of the box, you may now begin assembly. Inside a small cardboard box, you will find a power adapter, base bolt, star-handled knob, stool base, fixing plates and the heat and massage remote control. In another box, you'll find 2 sets of legs, 5 large legs for the seat and 4 smaller legs for the stool. To assemble the chair, start by putting together the base. For this section, you will need the fixing kit, base bolt and chair legs. Attach the 5 chair legs to the bolt by screwing them into the 2 holes on all 5 sides. You will need 10 screws, 10 washers and the Allen key. Now attach the seat cushion with the seat base. Line up the hole in the frame on the underside of the chair with the black pole on top of the base. Then push down so it slots into place. The seat should now swivel on the base. Screw the long star-handled bolt into the frame. This is used to control the manual recline function. When this screw is fully tightened, the chair will be locked in a fixed position. Next, you will need to attach the backrest. For this, you will need the 2 long screws from the fixing kit. First, line up the holes on the side of the backrest with the holes in the side of the frame. Then insert both long screws and tighten with the Allen key. Line up the holes in the brackets at the bottom of the backrest with those on the rear of the seat cushion. Insert the small screws and attach the small clips to secure them in place. Now you can attach the armrests. When attaching the armrests, line up the holes on the armrest with the holes on the seat. This can then be secured by inserting screws through the holes underneath and fastening them, which can be done with an Allen key. To assemble the footstool, first you will need the bracket, 4 plates, 8 washers, 8 screws and 4 legs. Each leg has 2 holes at the top of the shorter section. At this point, the 4 leg plates need to be screwed into place. You must leave a 1mm gap between the leg and the plate to allow the legs to slot into the bracket. Drop the bracket onto the 4 legs, then tighten the screws with the Allen key. Make sure the legs are flat to the floor and are of equal height. The legs can then be attached to the stool cushion by screwing the bracket into the 4 holes located on the bottom. We recommend that you place the cushion so the underside is facing up. To link the heat and massage functions on both the top and bottom of the chair, connect the white wires. Don't forget to connect the handset. Finally, plug in the power adapter so you can plug your chair into the wall. Your Trieste Swivel Recliner is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of any excess packaging just in case you wish to return the item. If you have any questions about the Trieste or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.